Hi guys, this is question number 25 of physics classes at night and then chapter 5. So the question number 25 is Booney and Cyclidy are sliding at 300 kilograms. Yeah, okay. 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 Bank said across the floor to the gate with the same slice the constant if Cyclid pushes from behind 385 Newton of force while Boomy pulls forward on a rope with 350 Newton of force. What is the Sid's coefficient of kinetic friction on the bank floor? So guys, this is the most important idea that you need to apply, and I always apply in my every other problem. You have to understand what the question is telling you. So over here, the question is telling you that there are two persons. There's Booney and then there's Cyclady. They are sliding a 300 kilogram bank safe across the floor to their gateway car. So assume it like that there is a slide or there's a slide, and on the slide the above surface is a bank and the below surface is a car. So you're pulling a 300 kilogram of mass from the above surface of garden to your car. So on pulling it down, you need two persons force. The first person is Booney and the second person is Cyclady, or whatever you wanna number them. So the says that the car slides the safe slides with a constant speed if Cyclade pushes from behind. So Cyclade is pushing it from behind, 385 Newton, and then Booney is pulls forward on a rope. Booney is forward, then Cyclade, which is behind Booney, and she is putting a force of 350 Newton of force. All you need to do up here is to find the Safe's coefficient of kinetic friction on the bank floor. So you have to find the coefficient, which is we are represent as UK. I always say UK. It's called coefficient of kinetic friction. Whenever you see a word sliding, you just know that this is a kinetic friction question. So let's see that what we do. Okay, one second. I'll be right there. What we can do, we got mass, we got the force of Cyclady, we got the force of Booney. Here's I drew two girls or two boys, whatever you want to prefer them. Here's your mass. This is the bank. Okay, I didn't drew it here, but you just know and you just recognize it. Okay, so this is the bank. This is 300 kilogram. Cyclady pushes it from Cyclady is in front or is in rear than Booney. Booney is behind. She applies a force of 350 Newton. As compared to Cyclady, she applies a more higher force since she's in front of Booney. Here's your car. Okay, so and here's the free fall diagram that is pretty important in every question. There should be normal force since they are in contact with the ground. There should be a normal force. They are in contact with the ground. There should be a weight force always downwards. Okay, here we go, and they are sliding, so there is a friction force. We don't know that in which way they are sliding, either they are sliding on positive x or negative x. So if it's the condition, then you always put your friction force in the negative x direction. That's what I do here. And since two persons are applying their forces, so I sum up their force and I put a force sign up here in the forward x direction. Okay, let's go move on the equations. Since as the book says also, if you go back and read the topic kinetic friction, it says that if you have something to slide and there are four forces, then your F net will be 0. My F net will be 0. That is the MA. Since acceleration is 0, F net is 0. I know that this is sliding. There should be a friction and there should some acceleration on the ground. But since our book says there's 0, I don't wanna go in beneath, and let's just assume it that in our level it's 0. Whenever you see a sliding problem and you have four forces acting on it. Okay, so negative fx plus f is equals to 0. Fx is equals to f. Fx you can also write down as the coefficient into normal force. This is the definition of friction force. is equals to F. The coefficient you need to find it out, and the normal is your mg. This is the definition of normal force. F, the total F will be the sum of two persons' force which are applying on the 300 kilogram. Okay, that is 735. And then over here it's multiplying, you will divide it beneath, and then you got 735. Your mass is 300, your gravity is 9.8. If you solve it up, you got 0.25. That is the answer. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone understood it.